Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's video, if you signed up for Uber, but you forgot to use a referral code, it's okay. I got you covered. Jump down into the video description below. If you're a driver in the US and you're a newer driver, you can use a retroactive sign-up code to get your guarantee to start driving of up to $1,000. It might be $100, $500, $700, or $1,000. But if you're a driver in the US and you need a retroactive bonus code, again, it's in the video description below. All right, check it out. What's up, party people? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Thanks for stopping by. I got an informative video for you coming up. Listen, a lot of drivers out there, tough decision at hand, right? Do I drive? Do I not drive? And unfortunately, for a lot of gig economy workers like rideshare drivers, like myself, like probably you tuning in right now, it's tough. I mean, the numbers out there suggest a lot of gig workers don't have a lot in savings, and so we're kind of in this situation, right, where we don't have a 9-to-5 job, so we can't work from home. We're not able to stay home and still get paid. We don't have benefits, right? So we're in this pickle for a lot of us where really our hand is kind of forced, where we still have to be out there and drive. And I think anyone would be lying if they said they weren't a little bit nervous. Maybe this is blown out of proportion, right? I mean, that's kind of okay. Anyway, that's a different topic for another day. But at any rate, there's a lot of sickness out there, and the numbers are growing in the United States. And it's kind of a scary time, right, to be a rideshare driver, because we come in contact with a lot of different people that we don't know. And on that note, right, a lot of people have been said to be carriers that don't even know it, that don't have severe symptoms, so they're not even aware. So it's kind of it's a dicey time. Now, that being said, right, we know that the majority of people that do contract what's going around, they recover and they're okay. But then we also know that there are people that die because of it. So anyway, all of that aside, what I want to talk with you guys about is, if you do decide to drive, right, I've got a list of 10 ways that you can help take care of yourself and look out for yourself and your health. Because that's important, right? So, hey, also, it's a new year. It's almost the end of March, but if you had New Year's resolutions on trying to take better care of your health and wellness, and you haven't lived up to that, now is a great time to get started, because what we definitely do know is that people with a lower or more compromised immune system are more susceptible to getting sick. So that's common knowledge across the board, but especially so with the current circumstances. So let's talk about taking care of your immune system. First huge part of that is making sure that you get enough sleep. I know a lot of you drive late nights, drive a lot of hours. Excuse me, as I cough. Right? Great. But make sure that you're taking enough breaks, you're getting enough rest, you're sleeping at night. Your body does the most work of regenerating itself at night while you're asleep. So I would highly prioritize your sleep. Okay, number 2, vitamins, minerals. We got all sorts of, we got vitamin C here. We got some airborne here, multivitamins, probiotics, all that kind of stuff. Anything that will help boost your immune system, that helps protect you from within, I highly recommend that. Number 3, still staying on boosting our immune system, right? How about fresh fruits and veggies? So, I know, it's crazy. I know. Eat fresh fruits and veggies. If you're a person that's not big into eating fruits and veggies, this might be a good time to start, because you can take multivitamins, stuff like that, but you're going to get the most potent antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, all that good stuff from fresh fruits and veggies. So if you're if you're waiting to get on that smoothie train, now's a good time to start. If you're like, oh, I don't want to try fresh juice, I'm telling you, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Maybe give your local juice bar a try, if they're open, if you can. Anyway, and when you pack snacks to go out and drive, I recommend cutting up, fresh fruits, veggies, nuts, seeds, stuff like that, all packed full of good nutrition that will help you and your immune system. Okay, cool. Now, what else? Oh, how about number 4? Water. Stay hydrated. Big time. Body does best when it's staying hydrated, flushing stuff out. And I said this in another video, but you're drinking a lot of water, you're going to have to go to the bathroom. You're going to have to wash your hands afterwards. Well, you don't have to, but you probably should do that. You should definitely do that. So stay hydrated. Bring a water bottle with you. Cool. What else do we got? Am I on track here? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Number 5. If you're a big coffee or soda drinker, maybe think, well, that's crazy, but hear me out. Maybe think about switching to tea. There are different teas that are packed full of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from free radicals. So they will help protect you from getting sick, basically. You can still get tea with caffeine, right? Did you know that? Yeah, so this is a good time to try out the healthy stuff. That's what I'm trying to say. What else do we got? Yes, already said that, but number 6, wash your hands. Any chance you get, wash your hands. Yep. Hand sanitizer in between being able to wash your hands, but health professionals will tell you there is no substitute for washing your hands. Happy birthday, dear my hands. Happy birthday to you. Hopefully you got that reference. Apparently you're supposed to sing the happy birthday song while you wash your hands. Maybe wash all the way up to your arms. I don't know. See how you're feeling. Okay, did I just say 6? I'm sorry. Let me count this here. 1. So sleep, vitamins, fruits and veggies, water, tea, wash hands. Cool. Number 7 would be masks. If you can get them. I have not been able to find them, but medical masks. I wouldn't worry about being judged. If you're at all concerned about staying healthy, wear a mask. No one's going to judge you for it right now. Number 8, how about antibacterial wipes, such as Lysol, Clorox, Open Nature, I think is the brand. 7 Generations. Just doing a lot of brand promotion right now. They can be hard to find in stores right now. Hopefully you can find some, but I would recommend keeping them in your vehicle, wiping up areas that passengers might have touched, maybe after each ride if you have time. But definitely just, keep that. It'll kill the bacteria, the germs that are in your vehicle. Stay on top of that. It'll help you to stay safe and healthy, and your other passengers. Cool. Number 9. Boy, I feel like I'm just counting wrong today. Is that right? Sleep, vitamins, fresh. You would have think that I would just listed them out, but I didn't. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yeah, so 9. I can't keep track. How about this? How about keeping this hand sanitizer, if you've got some, just keep it in the back seat of your vehicle. If you can, get the big pump one. Boom. Germex, everybody. You've got a seat pouch in your back seat. Get in there. Keep some hand sanitizer back there. You could also put the disinfecting wipes back there too if you have extra, and people can clean up their own space. Anyway, just again helps prevent the spread of sickness. And then finally, this is a big one. Should be a no-brainer, but keep your vehicle clean. If there was ever a time to really be diligent about staying on top of cleaning your vehicle, the time would be right now. Wouldn't you agree? So that's number 10. And let's just go through it just to make sure. Okay, sleep, vitamins, fresh fruits and veggies, water, tea, wash hands, masks, gloves. Oh, did I say gloves? I don't think I said gloves. That's why I was thrown off, you guys. For our bonus, gloves, right? Like surgical gloves, because washing your hands is great. Hand sanitizer is great. But after you do that, maybe put on those gloves. Keep whatever you touch, and then when you take them off, your hands are clean. That way, if you need to, like, scratch your face, probably don't scratch your face, touch your face, brush your nose, touch your eye, do anything. Definitely don't put your finger in your mouth with gloves or with your hands until you've washed them. Okay, so gloves, antibacterial wipes, hand sanitizer in the back seat. Keep your car clean. That is my list of 10 plus your bonus. So, anyway, if I forgot anything, you guys, jump down in the comment section below. Get at us. Let us know what you're doing to keep yourself healthy, clean, and safe during this crazy time out there. All right, anyway, I'm Jacob Letman. This is Rideshare Hub. Thanks for tuning in. And until the next time, and seriously, stay safe out there.